Hello guys, welcome back to One Stop Solution. I'll be taking you step by step on how to download Duolingo in this tutorial. Let's get started. Open Play Store on your device first. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right. Then search for Duolingo on the search bar at the top. This is the application that we're going to be downloading. Tap on the install icon. Now let the installation process begin. Tap on Open once the installation process is completed. Now to sign up, tap on Get Started icon, or if you already have an existing account, tap on I already have an account. Then follow the instructed steps to log in or sign up for an account. And that is how to download Duolingo. Thank you for watching. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.